What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to fix the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero slow motion on PC. So I will show you 4 solutions to this issue. So number 1 solution is the revert changes to engine.ini file. You are very likely to meet the Sparking Zero slow motion issue if you have made some changes in the engine ini file to increase the FPS. To get rid of the trouble, remove the changes you made and save it. So the next step is run game on a dedicated graphic card. For laptops, running the game on a dedicated graphic card will address the issue for the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero slow motion. Follow these steps in order to do so. In Windows search, type graphic settings and press enter to open tab. Step 2 is choose desktop app from the drop down menu and hit browse, or hit the add desktop button. Windows 11, navigate to the C drive, then program files x86, then go to the Steam, then Steam apps, and then common, and then go to the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. After that, select the Sparking Zero to add it to the list, then choose this exe file and select high performance on Windows 11, or hit option and take high performance on Windows 10. So the last step is set maximum frame rates to 60. So by doing so, the issue will be solved. I hope you find this video helpful.